So there are some common sense no-brainers when you're an electrician doing electrical work. Some of those, for example, might be PPE, personal protective equipment. You have to have the right gloves, you better have some safety glasses, maybe even a hard hat. But what are some of the no-brainers if you're trying to run an electrical contracting business? Now that is a whole different animal. Well, one way I'm doing that is by utilizing brand new software that I just found from Connecteam. This video is sponsored by Connecteam, and the reason is because I found Connecteam, I knew I needed it, and I know if I need it, I know you might need it, and I reached out to them, and they gladly said, Jeff, we're all in. Let's go. Let's tell electrical contractors why Connecteam is going to help buy back their time, help them own the trains and not run the trains. But for me, the most important part, live a lifestyle of an electrical contractor, but not having to have your hands on every single aspect of the business. Let's go. Okay, as an electrical contractor for the past 21 years, I can tell you the biggest bottleneck that prevents you from growing your company, adding vans, employees, and most of all, being profitable is the lack of good delegation. Now, I'm someone that suffers from severe ADHD. Squirrel? That's me. I am constantly running after the shiny objects. I'm taking those low-level phone calls and forgetting about all the high-level things I need to do. So I was desperately trying tons and tons of software, AI tools, recorders, organizers, calendars, everything I can to try to organize. And I also have an executive assistant that's trying to help me organize. We both went onto the web. We both went to AI. We both went to Google. We went everywhere, and it kept narrowing it down to a few pieces of software. Now, I'm not going to mention the names I'm not using, and the reason I'm not using those is because the software that I just told you about, Connecteam, implements a lot of the good things that we wanted off of those, but put elements into their software that no other company is doing. And that is helping me with a complete, robust management system so I don't constantly have to be working in my business. Let me give you some of those examples and why I'm super excited to use Connecteam. And the first and very most important one right now, and I know it's the most important to you, is it's absolutely free. Forever. That's right. The beginner package. You can sign up right now absolutely free so you can start kicking the tires that I'm going to show you. Now, they do have paid versions that obviously get more robust. I'll be using one of those, but the biggest incentive for you and the no excuse reason for you to click my link right now and sign up for Connecteam to kick those tires is it's absolutely free for you. I'm telling you, if you utilize just one of these 3 tips I'm going to give you, it's going to 10x your business and you don't have to pay a dime for it. Remember the name of the video, Electrical Contractor No-Brainers. This is no-brainer tip number 1 about Connecteam. Okay, tip number 1 is greasing the wheels of the business. These are some small, mundane things that need to get done when you have a fleet. A fleet is more than one: vehicle, technician, employee, back end, vendor, contractor, anything like that, is the reminders. Now, yes, you can go into Google and put your reminders, but guess what? It's as basic as you can get. Connecteam has automated reminders to take care of the most essential tasks you need to be aware of, but here's the kicker. You can upload documents, files, links, and everything you need to make sure whatever that reminder is gets implemented. Let me give you 3 examples under tip 1. Renewal for your contractor's license. When your renewal comes and you miss it, ask how I know. I missed it, and I didn't get a check for 30 days until I reinstated it because I missed paying the renewal of my contractor's license. Not only is it going to remind you of that, but in there, it's going to be the link of where you need to renew. You're going to scan the paper from last year or even the one you got 3 months ago into Connecteam so that you know exactly where to go to renew it. And of course, if there's any additional credentials, whether it's proof of insurance or anything you need, you're going to have it all under that reminder. What a friggin' game changer. That's just one example. The second example is, what about you finish jobs? When you finish jobs, you want your employees to do what I call a job completion form. I want every single one of my employees, when they finish a job, to go to the customer, pull up this form and go through it one by one, saying, hey, Mr. Client, I just want to go through this form for you to make sure everything is correct. And if it is, I just need you to give me a signature or a verbal okay. Number one, we turned on all your breakers. Everything is working. Please check to see that everything seems to be in order and everything is working for you. Maybe that's something that's important to you. Number two, we've cleaned up, we vacuumed, that there's no spots, no stains. Is there anything that I need to take care of? Is there going to be anything when I leave here that you're going to call my boss and say, they left my place a mess and I'm going to get my butt kicked? No. Did I put the panel sticker? Yes, I put a panel sticker in your panel so that way if you ever have an emergency that you'll know we're here. On the employee side, did they do the 5 around? Did they pass my flyers around to 5 houses, 2 on the sides, 3 in the back? You get the picture. A job completion form is absolutely important. And guess what? You can do all of that inside Connecteam. Number 3, and probably one of my favorite, is my HR. When you're going to hire, like I do fairly regularly, oh my gosh, where is the application? Where are the IRS forms? Where is the I-9 form? Where is the GPS authorization form? The right that we video you because we are a YouTube channel, yada, yada. Where are the forms? Are they in my Google Docs? Which Google Docs? Oh my gosh, Riley, are they in yours? Are they in mine? Which one of mine? I have 4 companies I run. Which one of mine? Nope. All automated under the HR tab through Connecteam. Now, if I hire Riley, or I don't care if I replace her, or if I'm by myself, or if I just need to email the potential employee, I have it all in one place under Connecteam. There's 3 simple reasons why you need to sign up right now. Do I need to give you more? Absolutely. That was tip number 1. Keep the wheels greased in the business. Tip number 2 on why I'm going to be using Connecteam. Communication within my company. Do you know how sick and tired I am of having to pick this dang thing up every day and trying to find my text message to my guys? And hey, did you give a bid to this person? Or hey, Jeff, because I'm the one that's always the bottleneck, I take someone's information, I text it somewhere or do something, and then I lose it. Communication through Connecteam is seamless. You can do either a 30-person group text, a 1-on-1, a 2-on-2, or just your high-level journeyman. It's unbelievable the communication that's baked in to Connecteam. That's tip number 2, why it's going to help you level up once you have a group of people. And by the way, here's a real world example. I just picked up the latest and greatest phone. My old phone has all my text messages in it. This phone is not. I can't transfer those text messages, those important pictures, those important everything that I sent to those guys from 6 months ago into the new phone. Through Connecteam, whether I change this phone, to this phone, to this phone, to that phone, to whatever phone, it all goes with you. It's a single platform for all your communication. And the best part, you could put links, files, pictures, anything you want within those communications. It's a game changer, you guys. Do I need another reason? All right, let's go to tip number 3 on why I'm using Connecteam moving forward. Tip number 3, your technicians are on the field. They go to the job that's sold. They realize either they're not going to finish, they're missing parts, or they need the parts list, or some way or shape or form there's additional work, and they need to document everything that's going to happen tomorrow. Guess what? If they're not going back, but you or another team member is going back, through Connecteam, you can make a folder, a file for that specific job, and anything and everything that they're doing for that job can get dumped into there. The number 1 thing that I want them to do is if they're going to go back or they need additional parts for the next day, they must immediately let the office or somebody know, or the wholesale house, that, hey, I need these additional parts. I either want them delivered or I want them dropped off to the warehouse where I'll pick them up in the morning. To get these things done, you need to start organizing your jobs. This is on a small scale. What if it's on a bigger scale? Who's going to keep track if inspection has been called? If we passed inspection? If we did, who took a picture of the inspection card with the signature or download the PDF that the inspection's been finalized? You, as the technician on the field, my micro franchise journeymen, are going to do that. They're going to put it into that folder. And then guess what? Out of that folder, I can easily move it into my CRM. I can email a client. I could put it into a saved file, another document, or whatever I need to do. The beautiful part about it is if there's anything on that job that needs to get documented, it's in one place and your whole team has access to it. I hope the introduction to Connecteam helped. We'll be talking a lot more about that later on, but here's the big bonus for you. If you sign up using my link right here in the description or right here in the QR codes, you are going to be invited to an All Things Connecteam webinar when I get Connecteam on the channel so that we can ask those questions that we just need to understand, or ask, does it do this? Does it do that? Right directly to the team as electrical contractors, not just another YouTube video talking about Connecteam. These are the nitty-gritty, direct, pointed, niche questions you want to know, and that's only available if you sign up through my link. I hope you appreciated the information. If you did, smash that like and subscribe, and make sure you go and sign up for the only community 100% dedicated to the electrical contractor, the 360 Electrician Network, and we will see you on the next one.